This is Joan from the Olivet Boys and Girls Club, and today I'm going to show you how to make an animal out of newspaper. I'm going to make a cat. First thing I did was I cut out a circle for the face, and I made a little nose and mouth, and I already glued that on. So I'm going to glue the head on the paper. Next, I cut out some triangles for ears. I'm going to glue those on next. Okay. Now I have the cat's body. I'm going to glue that on. Okay. And I cut out a tail. I'm going to glue that on. And to make the eyeballs, I got a piece of paper, I folded it in half, and I'm going to cut out the shape of an oval, and I'll have two exactly the same size. I'll glue those on. I'm also going to glue on, I cut some strips of paper, just little lines, for whiskers. I'm going to You can use either regular glue or glue stick. I use glue stick, of course. You have to be a little gentle with the newspaper. It rips easily. Now, give me a vote. Do you think this looks like a cat? I hope you enjoy making your own animals out of newspaper.